Scottails. Oh. Hi, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Scottails. My name is Scott Hostetler, and today we're going to do a drink called the Old Man and the Sea. Now, I was walking on campus of a local college, and I was looking at this beautiful new, massive Hemingway library. And I was walking with a guide, and I said, I think it's wonderful. This is very impressive. It's wonderful that you've dedicated this library to Ernest Hemingway. She said, well, no, it's not dedicated to Ernest Hemingway. It's dedicated to Jerry Hemingway. I said, Jerry Hemingway? Was he a writer? She said, yes, he wrote a check. Anyway, Ernest Hemingway did write The Old Man and the Sea, and that's what this drink is named after. It was the last novel he wrote during his lifetime before he cut his life short. In 1951 in Cuba is when he wrote it. It's a story of Santiago being a fisherman struggling for 2 days to catch this giant marlin. And I'm sure when he finally got back to his little hut that he needed an old man in the sea. Now, we're going to start this with a Luxardo cherry as garnish right in the middle. This is Chris Grodak's recipe from the Corner in Huntington Beach. Chris is a wonderful chef, but also a great mixologist. And we're going to do this today. His recipe is 2 ounces of gin. Gin makes us win. I just made that up. Half an ounce of the Luxardo Maraschino Cherry Liqueur. This is from Italy, and it is 64 proof, so it's got a little alcohol content with it. Now, the next ingredient is called orgeat. You see it's spelled orgeat, but it's called orgeat. Now, when you go to the Corner, Chris doesn't use any mixers of any kind. He even makes his own ketchup. That's how meticulous he is. So he makes his own orgeat, and I'll tell you later in the show how he makes it. He shared the secret with me. We're going to use half an ounce of orgeat. And that is an almond-flavored liqueur, and it's got a little kick to it also. 1 ounce of grapefruit, fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, everybody. Remember, has to be fresh squeezed. And then 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, fresh lime juice. Put it all in there. Then we top it off and we shake that bad boy until it can't be shook no more. About 15 to 20 seconds. Soulja Boy is not a soldier. Dr. Dre, not a doctor. And Adele, not a computer. And here we go. We're going to pour it in over our cherry. And it's got an almondy look to it. And it is going to be sweet and nutty. Shall we give it a taste?
Yes!
That is very fruity. The lime and the grapefruit is a great taste together with the orgeat and the cherry. Oh, it's a carnival in your mouth. It's lots of different flavors. I think you'll really like it. So this moth goes in to see his podiatrist, and he says, you know what? I just hate my life. I mean, I don't like it down at the plant. My boss is dumb as a box of ball-peen hammers. And, the love's gone out of my wife. I don't love my wife anymore. My moth wife, it's just no magic there anymore. And don't get me started about my moth son. He's lazy, he's shiftless, and those are his 2 best qualities. And he's just a big disappointment. And the podiatrist stops and says, well, okay, thanks. But I don't know why you're telling me this. I'm a podiatrist. You should talk to a psychiatrist. I mean, why'd you even come in here? He said, the moth said, well, the light was on. Cheers, everybody. And remember to drink up because it's almost closing time somewhere.